Dear students, let's start with application of simple equation. In previous videos, we have learned how to solve a simple equation. Now we will learn application of simple equation. Let's start with word problem. Exercise 4.4. Set up an equation and solve them to find out the unknown number. It means that you have to find out a value for the variable x. Students, we have learned in previous video some words, keywords. Those words I call it as keywords. Sum means addition, more means way to add, twice means multiplication, and so on. So students, let's start with the exercise 4.4, question number 1. Now this is a question. If I take 3/4, now 3/4 means 3 by 4. Of means I spoke in previous video, of means multiplication. So if I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. Let's start this exercise, this sum. So students, our question was 3/4 of a number. So 3/4 means 3 by 4. Of a number means x plus. Now add 3. To this we are adding 3. So what you are getting? 21. Now what you will do? You will transpose 3 towards right hand side. So your question will be, so next line will be equals to 3 by 4 x equals to 21 minus 3. So 3 by 4 x equals to 21 minus 3, it will be 18, 19. So it will be 18. Now 4 is in multiplication form, so we are adding this in 4 is in division form, so when it will cross equal sign, so it will become multiplication. So it will be 3x equals to 4 into 18. Now 3 will be transposed to right hand side, so it will be x equals to 4 into 18 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. So 4 into 6, 24. So x is equals to 24. So what the number I have taken is 24. Students, copy this in your notebook. Okay, let's go with next question. Students, let's go with second question. Ibenal thinks of a number. If she adds 19 to it, now thinks of a number means we don't know what is that number, so we are going to take a variable x. If she add 19 to it, so it will be x plus 19 and divide the sum by 5. She will get 8. So let's start solving. Okay students, let's start solving. Ibenal thinks of a number. So what is that number? That is x. To this she adds 19. So plus 19. Now the whole sum is divided by 5, which gives you 8. Now what you will do? 5 is in denominator, so it will be get transposed here. So x plus 19, which is equals to 8 into 5. So what you will get, x plus 19 equals to 40. Now 19 will be get transposed, so x will be equals to 40 minus 19. So let me divide the screen. So what you will get, x equals to 21. So this is your answer. Now write down a last statement. Therefore GNHAL, Abenal thinks of 21. So she thinks of 21. Write down this in your notebook, students. I am giving you 2 minutes. Okay students, let's go with next question. Dear students, let's go with next question. Second one is, let's go with first question. In an isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. Vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? So you had to find out what is the measurement of base angle. So let's start, children. Dear students, let's start solving first question. Now what is given? Isosceles triangle. Now you should know what is meant by isosceles triangle. Now I am drawing this triangle. Now here, okay, my figure is not up to the mark, but still try to understand. Now these two sides are equal and these two angles are known as base angle and top one is known as vertex angle. So measurement of top one is given as 40 degree and these two angles are equal. So this is x and this is x. We have to find out the values of x. Now we know that angle sum property. Sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we have to apply that property. So let's start solving the question. Let base angle equals to x. Now according to condition, x plus 40. Now what is this 40? It is an what is given as 40? 40 is an vertex angle. Okay, so this will be equals to 180. Reason in the bracket you can write down angle sum property, ASP. So x plus x, it will be 2x and 40 we will transpose to, so it will be 180. So 40 we will transpose to right hand side, so it will be equals to 180 minus 40. So 2x, this is 2. 1 minute students, let me rub it. So it will be 2x equals to 180 minus 40, it will be equals to 140. Okay, copy down this much in your notebook, students. I am giving you 1 minute of time. I hope so you have written this. So let me rub this one. So what we have got, what was our last step? 2x is equals to 140. This was our last step. Now continue with this. Now 2 will be get transposed to RHS. So it will be x is equals to 140 divided by 2. So x will be equals to 70. So what they have asked to find out? They have asked to find out what are the base angles of the triangle? So the base angles of the triangle are, so right on the last step, the base angles of triangle, I am just writing in short form, are 70 degree. So what will be the base angles of the triangle are 70 degree. Students, write down this in your notebook. Continue. Okay students, I hope so you had done this. So let me erase all and let us go to next question. What is the third one? Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. So what is the age of Lakshmi's father? 49. Now what is the condition is given? He is 4 years older. 4 years older means 4 plus. Then 3 times Lakshmi's age. Now Lakshmi's age is not given, so it will be x. So 3x plus 4 is our equation. What is Lakshmi's age? We had to find out Lakshmi's age. So let's start the answer. What is given? Lakshmi's age. So this is your answer. Lakshmi's age is not given, so that will be equals to x. Now according to condition, what is given? 4 is older, 4 years older. It means that 4 plus 3 times Lakshmi's age. So 3x plus 4 will be equals to, what is the age of his father? It is 49. So the age is 49. Now 4 will be transposed to right hand side. So it is plus. So it will become minus. 3x is equals to 49 minus 4. So 3x is equals to 45. Next line I am writing here. So x will be equals to 45 divided by 3. Now children, we know how to solve transposition method. Some using transposition method. So x is equals to 15. Therefore is Lakshmi's age is 15 years. Student, copy this in your book. You can pause the video and you can copy it. Students, let's go with second question. Now only I have solved the third one. So let it be. We will go with second now. Sachin scores twice as many runs as Rahul. So Rahul's score we don't know. So Rahul's score will be x and Sachin's score will be 2x. Together means their sum, 2x plus x. Their run fell too short of double century. Now what is meant by double century? 200. So to reach 200, 2 runs were less. How many runs did each one score? So you had to find out both of them, how much they each one score. Okay, so let's start writing. Let me change the screen. Okay, so it will be, this is the answer for second question. Okay, so Rahul's score will be, score is x. Sachin Sachin, Sachin's score equals to twice Rahul's score. So it will be 2x. This is x. Okay, so what is according to condition? Their both addition 2x plus x is equals to 2 runs were short of 200. So 200 minus 2. So 2x plus 3x, now variables are same, so we can add. So 2x, now here in the second variable nothing is, coefficient is not given. So it will be 2 plus 1, 3x equals to 198. Now x will be equals to 198 divided by 3. Okay students, copy this in your notebook. 2 minutes I am giving you. You can pause the video and you can write down. This is E score. Okay, let me rub the top line. So after division, what you will get? X is equals to 66. Now whose score was x? Rahul's score. So how much Rahul's score? 66 runs. And what is the condition for Sachin? Twice. So Sachin score twice. So let me rub one more line. Sachin score is 2x. It means that equals to 2 into 66, which is equals to 132 runs. So how much Sachin score? 2x equals to 2 into 66, multiply it and you will get the answer as 132 runs. Students, you can continue and you can copy this in your notebook. Okay students, for today this much we have learned. By observing this video you will understand the concepts. Based on this I have given you a worksheet. Complete that worksheet in 2 days and send it to my mail without fail. Thank you students.